Today we are going to learn 9th standard set language. Example 1.10. If universal value is C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J and A value is C, D, G, J, find A dash. So A dash means universal minus A. Since universe is the first term, I have written the values of universe minus the values of A. The relationship between universe and A is minus. So the similar terms will cancel the similar terms. C get cancels. D, G and J. So what is remaining in the first term? Universe will be the answer. The remaining in the first term is E, F, H, I. No need to bother about the second term. Example 1.11. If value of P is M, N and Q equal to Mij, then represent P and Q in the Venn diagram and hence find P union Q. So the value of P is given M and N and Q is Mij, then represent P and Q in Venn diagram and hence find them. Okay, first we'll represent this question in the Venn diagram. So they asked us to find P union Q. We'll write the value of P, then we'll write the value of Q. The common terms will circle. Here the common term is M. So common term will write in the center portion. Since M is belonging to both, we'll write in the center portion. So what is remaining in the P? N. That N belongs to P. And what is remaining in I and J in Q? I, J belongs to Q. M belongs to both P and Q. So this represents P union Q. And also they are asking us to find P union Q. So P union Q is equals to M, N union M, I, J. So union means the relationship between P and Q is union. We want all the elements repeated right in once. So the values are I, J, M, N. Example 1.12. Let A equal to x where x is an even natural numbers and 1 is x is less than 1 and it is less than or equal to 12. X where x is a multiple of 3 and x belongs to natural numbers and x is less than or equal to 12. B, two sets. Find A intersection B. First we'll find the value of A. It should be even numbers and it lies between 1 and 12. It should be greater than 1 and it should be less than or equal to 12. It should be greater than 1 and it should be less than or equal to 12. So what is greater than 1 means 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12. Since it is equal to is given, less than or equal to is given, 12. So the value of A is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Here the value is multiple of 3 and belongs to natural numbers and it should be less than or equal to 12. So multiples of 3 means we'll start from the third table. So 3, 6, 9, 12. So this is the value of A and B. They asked us to find A intersection B. Since A is first term, I have written the value of A intersection and B is second term, I have written the value of B. So the relationship between A and B is intersection. Intersection means common. So we'll circle the common numbers. So what are the numbers common here? 6, 12. So 6, 12 is your answer. So 2 is not here, 4 is not here, 8 is not here, 10 is not here. So 6, 12 is your answer. Example 1.13. The value of A is 2, 3 and value of C is empty set. Find A intersection C. A intersection C. Since A is given, we'll write the value of A first. Intersection. Then C value is empty set. So what is intersection means what is common. The no numbers are common here. So empty set is your answer. Example 1.14. If A equals to minus 3, minus 2, minus 4, 1, 4 and B equal to 0, 1, 2, 4, find A minus B and B minus A. So A minus B. Since A is given first, I have written the values of A minus the value of b. The relationship between a and b is minus. So minus means similar number will cancel. So 4 get cancels, 1 get cancels. So what is remaining in the first term? That is remaining in the a gives you a minus b. So the answer is minus 3 comma minus 2. Next, b minus a. Since b is given first, I have written the value of b, and a is given next, we have written the value of a. The relationship between both is minus. Minus means we will cancel the similar terms. So 1 get cancels, 4 get cancels. So remaining in the first term you should write. No need to bother about the second term. So 0 comma 2 is your answer. Example 1.15. If a equals to 6, 7, 8, 9 and b equal to 8, 10, 12, find a delta b. That is symmetric difference. So a delta b formula is a minus b union b minus a. So first we'll find a minus b. A minus b is equals to, first we should write the value of b. You should not interchange the values. Since a is given first, you should write only the value of a minus then the value of b. The relationship between both is minus. So we'll cancel the similar terms. Here the similar is 8. So we'll cancel. What is remaining in the first term gives you the answer. Next we are going to find b minus a. So first b value will write and then we'll write the value of a. So b minus a. Here we'll cancel the similar terms. 8 get cancels. What is remaining in the first term? 10 comma 12. Next, a minus b union b minus a. So both the answers will write. A minus b answer is 6 comma 7 comma 9 and b minus a answer is 10 comma 12. We'll write both the values. Since universal is the relationship between them is universal, I've written here universal. Universal means we'll write all the numbers. Repeated numbers will write once and we'll write ascending order to avoid the confusion. So answer is 6, 7, 9, 10, 12. Thank you children. Please comment if you have any doubt.